Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some fuel injectors. I got these from my car because it's been misfiring, and here are the fuel injectors. I got 4 of them. We're going to be installing these today. We're probably not going to get the car running today because I also need an alternator, and that should be in here by tomorrow, and I'll probably have a video separate for that. And yeah guys, let's get to it and let's install these.
Alright guys, before I start the video, I just wanted to say that I ordered the wrong set of fuel injectors the first time, so I returned those and got a new pair. But don't worry, this video should show you how to take them off and install them, and then at the end I'll show you guys the new pair of injectors working.
Alright guys, so right here we have the fuel injectors. This is where they're located, and from what I remember when we were taking off the head, it was fairly simple to take off the fuel injectors with the fuel rail. You're gonna want to take off these bolts that are back here. I can't remember how much there is, but I'll tell you guys later. And then we're gonna want to take off these, which I'll show you guys here in a bit, and this whole fuel rail should be able to pop out. Alright guys, so the bolts are, there's one right there. I don't know if you guys can see one right there, and then another one right there, but that one for me is missing, and then the last one all the way back there, and I believe they're 10 millimeters. You unscrew those and this whole fuel rail should be loose. So as I was trying to take off these bolts for the fuel rail, this wiring harness might get in the way, so you're gonna have to unbolt it, and it's just 2 10 millimeter nuts right here, and it should just pop off, and you should have access to this one bolt that's back here. Right there. Here, come over here. Okay, there. Okay, now that I got this harness out of the way, I just slide it across over there. I have a lot more space for this bolt right here. Let's get to it. So like I said earlier, it was a 10 millimeter bolt. Just loosen it. Okay, now that we got the bolts off, this thing should be able to pop out. You shouldn't worry about the fuel line because I'm not going to be taking it off. It seems like, yeah, see, pops out, and then you should be able to pull it up a little bit. We might need to take off some of these hoses. I'll tell you guys which ones right now. It only looks like it's one, so just attach that one from there, and then we might need to remove this right here. Actually no, we should be able to take off the fuel injectors. So all we gotta do is see these two little metal clips right here. You just move them apart and this thing should pop off like that. And I'll demonstrate right now.
Before you guys remove the fuel rail, I suggest leaving it in and taking off the pigtails first.
Okay, so what I like doing is getting a flathead screwdriver and then pushing this one away. There we go. So what I like doing when you get one semi popped off like that, I like putting in, here, let me get a thinner screwdriver. Feeding it in like that so it doesn't move out of place. And then get in this other side, so I'll leave this other screwdriver resting there. And then, there you go.
But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.